there it goes. About 10 seconds. Isn't that amazing? And it rotates seen from below clockwise. Now it's going this way, and I'm going to redo the experiment, changing the direction of rotation, and then it will go the other way around. So now the angular momentum, is it rotating like this, is pointing here. Spin angular momentum is pointing like this. Torque is like this. And so the spin angular momentum is chasing that torque. I'm the spin angular momentum, I'm the torque. This is the torque. It's chasing it.